Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. We're gonna take a look at this 2009 Sweetwater, what it looks like before coming into us. This one came up from Indiana all the way up to Grand Rapids. So let's take a look at the outside first. You'll see on the outside kind of a swim deck. We're gonna leave a little bit of a front deck, but not nearly this much. We're gonna get rid of the fishing seats. We're going with vinyl, getting rid of this old carpet. And then we'll rework our navigation lights, docking lights into the new railings that it's getting. So these are all coming off. If you look, they're kind of beat up. I think this was the bimini got caught on something and pulled the whole railing up, dislodged the paneling. So these railings are going. We'll do a new stern entry ladder, big heavy duty stainless one. And then let's climb inside so we can show you what it looks like before, and then we'll talk about what we're doing on the inside. So after 13 or 14 years in the sun and use and abuse, the seats are, the vinyl's in okay shape. They are plastic bases, so they're not a terrible seat, but you're not gonna get this off, at least not to make it look new again. So it's getting brand new Deckmate ivory with tan and beige accents. We'll stick similar in the front on each side. We'll probably sneak a live well, because this is going to be a fishing cruise sort of boat. Sneak a live well in the front seat. The console is staying. So neat thing about pontoonstuff.com is that you can buy the same vinyl that you have on your seats. So I'm going to buy some vinyl. I'll take it to a local upholsterer, and he's going to recover this for me so we can reincorporate that into a lean back configuration. The back will still be a big L bench. We'll do a sun deck pad across the back. However, ours will be fully enclosed. So this one has the fuel tank, and it'll stay on that side in the new railings. But this was where the battery was before, and you can see it's right through there. It's noisier. We're gonna go ahead and have ours closed in for better dry storage. And then we'll leave a little bit of space on the back of the boat. It's a 20-footer, 8 foot wide. So right now I have no space to walk across the back. We're gonna change that, and we're gonna make it so we have room to walk across the back. So by eliminating some of the front deck, we can give ourselves some back deck. That's the cool thing about starting from scratch, tearing everything down to the bare bones, is you can build it back the way you want it. We're back, completely redone inside and out. We've got the tan vinyl weave floor. We've got stainless cleats, LED navigation, and docking lights. This is a cool scenario where with this new railing system, I know if you're watching the video right now, it's April 15th, I think. It's not available yet, but it's coming, I promise. And what's really neat about that is that we can rearrange how the boat was laid out. Previously, there was a really big front deck and no rear deck. We've still got enough room. This is they're gonna use this for fishing quite a bit. So if we come around the back, we've got good space for fishing. We removed the fishing seats because you can just lean against the railings or stand. But now we've got about 16 inches of space to walk across the back. They're gonna eventually put a tow bar with rod holders on it. So this will become a really nice little fishing boat. We have the heavy duty stainless ladder. Really heavy duty, easy to climb up, big tall handles, and it folds up out of the way. We're gonna go on the inside and take a look at what we've done. We've got the ivory with tan and beige accent premium seats. If you come on in, there's storage under all of these seats, so they flip up. We've got movable cup holders. These are a great option, even if you're not using Deckmate seats, but you just want a nice place to put a cell phone, drinks and cup holders, storage underneath for those seat covers. We reused their helm. It was in good shape, cleaned up really nice, and we could just reupholster using the same vinyl. For a upholstery shop, we can upholster that hatch and that lean back, so that makes it a bit of a lounger. In the back, we have the triangle table that allows you to walk right through. So right now, if you have a square table or a round table, it's always in your way, consider a triangle table for that. Our bimini is the heavy duty. It's an 8x8. This is all aluminum square tube, really easy to deploy. All I have to do is walk it forward. I pinch these tabs and drop it in. I can walk back over, do the same on this side. Great fit. It's going to provide shade when needed. Coming to the back, we do have a reclining helm chair here. And then our sun deck, we get asked this all the time. This is made by an upholsterer. We're unable to make them in quantity, but it's a nice flip up. We get storage underneath, gas tank on the other side. We're able to integrate this into the railing system to make it work. And we have the stern entry door. Just like modern boats these days, we can walk right out to the swim ladder or to that back deck. That's a wrap on this boat. Hope you enjoyed watching.
See you next time.